Hello and welcome back to another ThredUp unboxing. My name is Alina and I am a part-time reseller on PosherVA. I've been waiting for about 5 days for this box. It comes from Arizona warehouse, and the reason I got this box is because I love Coach bags and they mostly have a decent resale value. If you are interested in any of these bags you are seeing today, please feel free to shoot me an email or shop my closet at Alina Leonardo on PosherVA. As we are seeing a million other unboxings on YouTube, I am going to try to make this a little different and give you some fun facts and some tips on how to clean the bags or condition the leather if necessary. If you have yourself any tricks or tips, please share in the comment box below. Hopefully this box has some fun color bags or some rare vintage Coach, but I haven't seen those lately, so I can only hope. This box cost me $97.53, shipping and tax included, because of the sale discount they had, so I just had to get it. This should have 4 bags and 1 accessory inside, and the cost of goods for resale for each item should be $19.50. Coach was founded in 1941 as a small leather goods company / workshop in a loft in New York City, initially specializing in men's wallets and billfolds. It was inspired by baseball and used the same leather they made the baseballs from. So even if you're not an expert, a good clue to recognize a vintage Coach bag is the feel of the leather. There are vintage bags that go for an insane amount of money. I'm gonna pop a video here on the screen. I did some research before starting this video. The most popular are the vintage saddle bags, the station bags, and the Bonnie Cashin bags. Another good way to recognize a vintage Coach is by the creed. The creed is a little patch inside the bag that gives you a clue on when the bag was made and what the name of it is. If you want to go deeper into this and research your Coach bags, I recommend a Facebook that has a few expert groups. And to my knowledge, they have a catalog with years from when it starts until now, and they can tell you all sorts of information and, of course, authenticate your bag. So let's open this up. Now, Bonnie Cashin is the most influential designers for Coach. She started, I think, in 1962, and her bags are very, very popular and go for a lot of money. We have a lot of color, as I suspected. This is nice, you guys. A lot of signature Coach, and the first one is the accessory. It's a wallet. It is patent leather and has some color transfer. This cannot be fixed to my knowledge. It is embedded in the patent leather, and unfortunately I'm gonna have to sell it just like this, but it is in very good condition. On the interior is very clean, and the corners are in perfect condition. It's very small and it fits in any bag. ID slot and credit card slots, and also some bill slots. This is the perfect accessory. Too bad it has a little boo-boo. The next one is a factory bag. Now, a factory bag is a little bit more affordable. You are going to see on the creed, it has an F before all these letters. That means that it has been created for the more affordable collection. The corners are in excellent condition. I don't see any wear. The only imperfection with this bag is a little bit of dirt here that can be taken care of. And the interior is in excellent condition. I don't see anything, no spots. Beautiful. It has a zippered pocket and a slide pocket. And like I said, the creed has a code that you can research, and it's going to tell you what kind of bag this is. Now, this kind of buckle here is a sign that this bag might be a legacy bag. I know I've sold this before, but not in pink. I think it was in black. I'm gonna pop it here on the screen. Each bag should have this key fob, that's how it's called, or hang tag, that has Coach on one side A good way to tell if your Coach bag is a fake is also the hang tag. The A, as you notice, is very sharp at top, and also the stitching is another clue to look out for. Fake bags are gonna have wonky stitchings. Some of the bags have stamps on the hardware. You can see it says Coach on the hardware, and that's that. This is a beautiful bag for the upcoming spring summer. Do not submerge these in water. Just slightly correct and clean where the problem is, because the leather might get stains. The way to clean leather on the Coach bag: find cleaning products that are not oil-based, because that's gonna stain and change the color of your leather. So I'm gonna do a little bit of research on that and pop it here on the screen. Let's move on to our next bag. It is a fun print, fun animal print. This is so adorable. Look at this, you guys. This is a patent leather detail. It has the Coach stamp right here. It has the key fob. It is pretty lightweight. This is nylon. The interior is very clean, and of course we have the creed. It also is a factory bag, as you notice, but it looks like somebody, the owner, took care of it very well. And this is a care instruction card. The corners are in excellent condition, just like very slight signs of wear, but it has been worn very little. Double-handled, a medium size, very comfortable to wear. I see we have a lot of color in this box, and I have another one. It's like a jacquard signature Coach bag with tan leather detail, double-handled, and in very good condition. It is very clean. It has a very slight wear signs on the interior. It has the Coach hang tag that actually follows the theme. So you have this border here that's cream color, and also the hang tag has two colors. It has a zippered pocket inside and two slide pockets, and this needs a little bit of wiping down because I see some signs of wear. The corners are a little bit dirty, but they can be fixed and cleaned up, and there are some water stains here, but like I said, a little bit soap and water, and also OxiClean stain treatment, a mixture of those, and just wipe it gently, not to touch the leather because we don't want stains on the leather. The creed on the interior also suggests that this is a factory bag, so nothing vintage so far, nothing that will make a crazy amount of money. Very cute. Oh my goodness. Ooh, this is a beautiful bag. This is the last bag in the box, but look at this. So unfortunately, my microphone decided to die in the middle of the video, and I'm going to do a voiceover as I edit. This amazing bag is probably a return to the roots with its minimalistic look. Coach gained immense popularity in Japan in the 1970s. The Japanese market played a crucial role in the brand's global expansion and success. This bag has the iconic turn lock closure, a metal logo, and silver-coated patina on black pebbled leather. The interior is plain leather and not lined and has a single zippered pocket. It seems like it's a newer model as the Creed has no code. It just talks about the quality and workmanship of the product. The bag is in excellent condition, only has a bit of discoloration at the bottom and very slight signs of wear at one of the corners. The hang tag looks very modern and not like your classic Coach tag with the stitching border. All in all, it's a stunning piece, and I will research this and pop the info on the screen for you. You can see a little bit of discoloration here at this corner, but the overall condition of this bag is excellent. So I did a little bit of research on their website, and Coach has actually a lot of cleaning products, and I would suggest if you have a Coach bag that you treasure and cherish, just go to their website and order a bunch of products. They have leather cleaner. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. This is my new favorite. And like I said, if you're interested, you can find it in my Poshmark closet. I will put the link down below so you can find me. And of course, if you found any value in my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with other people that are interested to learn about reselling. Meanwhile, if you're interested in the other unboxings, I'm gonna pop the link up on the screen so you can watch the playlist. That being said, I hope you had fun with this ThredUp unboxing, and I hope you learned a thing or two about Coach bags. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!